Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about the TikTok ads overview, understanding the platform, and then also look at where do TikTok ads appear. So TikTok ads is basically the ads platform which runs on TikTok platform specifically to reach out to targeted audiences through short form video content. So this is an advertising platform where you can build out digital video ads and you can reach out to your target audience who comes on TikTok specifically. Now, there are a lot of benefits of advertising with TikTok, like the first being the ad formats are going to be full screen video, vertical video format ads, which you can run here with audience targetings like interest based, age, gender, behavior, location, various types of audience targeting, which you will get here as well. And this type of advertising is great for brand awareness, engagement, conversions, specifically campaign objectives. You can run all of this from their ads manager platform provided by TikTok. Now, if you look at where do TikTok ads appear, they appear across the TikTok platform, which is in-feed ads. They appear on the For You feed section of the users. Specifically, TopView ads are also appearing as full screen ads that appear immediately after opening the app so that it gives high visibility. Then there are brand takeover ads. These are static or dynamic ads, specifically shown as soon as the app launches. And then there is also branded hashtag challenges displayed on TikTok's discover page and encourage user generated content. Also, there is branded effects, which is custom AR filters or effects appear in the effects panel of TikTok for users to apply in their videos. So there are across the TikTok platform, there are different ways these ads can be shown to our audiences and a high engagement which we can expect out of it, which generates enough traffic, sales, and leads for the business. I hope this makes sense. You understand the basics of what are TikTok ads and how these ads are going to appear in various placements on the TikTok platform. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.